Hi, my name is Aaron Anderson, and my senior project for 2018 is to learn how to play the mandolin. I'm teaching myself how to play the mandolin. Basically, my goals for learning the mandolin is I'm hoping to learn basic chords and then basic scales. A bigger goal of that once I've learned those chords and those scales is to be able to play some songs. Ideally, I would like to be able to play about 5 songs or so. And then really kind of my main goal from there is to be able to have the confidence to play with other people. The mandolin's a new instrument for me, so a few of the complications that I've run into a little bit is playing at home and finding the time to do it. Lots of other distractions. So wish me luck, and hopefully I'll be playing mandolin soon. Thank you.